A day after the Narcotics Control Bureau filed a charge sheet against 33 people, including actor Rhea Chakravarti and her brother Shouvik Chakravarti, in an alleged drug case filed after the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, Rhea's lawyer Satish Manashinde said it was expected and that the entire amount of narcotic substances recovered from the 33 accused is nothing compared to what the agencies recover in a single raid. Hitting out at the NCB, Satish Manashinde said all its efforts are directed only towards Rhea Chakravarti. The 12,000-page charge was expected. All efforts of NCB have been directed towards Rhea Chakravarti to somehow rope her in. He said, इससे ज़्यादा amount Mumbai police constables और airport custom officers एक single raid में बरामद कर लेते हैं. Rhea's lawyer also said that there was hardly any material against any known Bollywood faces who were paraded during the NCB investigations. The entire NCB from top to bottom was engaged in unearthing a drug angle in Bollywood. There is hardly any material against any known faces who were paraded during the investigation. I wonder why, he said. Either the allegations were false or only God knows the truth. He even went on to say that the charge sheet is a damn squib. यानी कि इसमें कोई दम नहीं है, because it stands on the foundation of inadmissible evidence and statements recorded under section 67 of the NDPS Act, he said. Without Rhea Chakravarti being charged, this case has no substance, according to Satish Manashinde. The High Court has found no prima facie material at the stage of bail of Rhea Chakravarti of the alleged financing of drugs trade, and in the end, comes the most scathing statement of Satish Manashinde. Like an open challenge against NCB, he said, "We will have the last laugh." And as always, he ended with the words, "Satyameva Jayate." Now let me inform you that NCB's case is not all that weak, and it has many more names beyond Rhea and Shouvik Chakravarti. The NCB has also charged Aegislaos Dimitriadis, जो अर्जुन रामपाल की पार्टनर गैब्रिएला के भाई हैं. They've also charged Kshitij Prasad, the executive producer of Karan Johar's Dramatic Entertainment, and many others, like I said in my yesterday's video. In its 11,700-page charge sheet filed in a special NDPS court, the NCB has claimed that a packet of ganja, also known as marijuana, was delivered for Sushant Singh Rajput at the Santa Cruz residence of Rhea Chakravarti in November 2019. Now, we have seen many videos to this effect before. And moreover, because she took the delivery of these drugs and facilitated its consumption by Sushant and also made payments that made her an active member of the drug syndicate, according to the NCB. The NCB also claimed that the drug delivery was made with Rhea's consent and that she facilitated the use of her house for drug consumption, thereby violating the provisions of the NDPS Act. Since Rhea provided funds for the drug purchase, she financed an activity related to illicit drug dealings as per the NCB. In the charge sheet, the NCB has relied on WhatsApp chats, audio notes between the accused, where they are alleged to be discussing purchase, payment and delivery of the drugs, including ganja and bud for Sushant Singh Rajput. Subsequent bank transactions, call data records, locations and statements of the accused have also been shown. But here the problem that NCB could face is, the biggest one, is that Supreme Court judgment last October, जिसमें कहा गया था कि such statements seen as confessions recorded before an NCB officer are inadmissible evidence, stating that it cannot be the sole proof to convict an accused. And legal experts believe that this could be the reason why Rhea's lawyer Satish Manashinde is so overconfident that nothing will happen to his client. But let me tell you, the road ahead for Rhea may not be as easy as her lawyer Satish Manashinde makes it sound. Because even if she comes out unscathed from the NCB charges, her name could be included in the charge sheets filed by Enforcement Directorate and the CBI, which are still to be filed. So far, the last update from the CBI is that the investigation into the Sushant Singh Rajput case is still on and all the angles are being looked into. Now, let me also tell you that in case Sushant Singh was alive right now and this case would have opened at this point in time, then from whatever it looks like, the NCB would have charged Sushant Singh also. Right now, all the people connected with the entire drug syndicate, all the people who have consumed drugs, bought drugs, facilitated the payments of these drugs are under the scanner, and the NCB is going after all of them. And Rhea Chakravarti, according to NCB, is one of the prime most people in this entire syndicate, and so far the charge sheet is totally against her, and there are a lot of charges against not just Rhea Chakravarti and Shouvik, but like I said, a lot of other people as well, which includes 33 other names. So what are your thoughts on this story and this latest development? Please let me know in the comment section. If you like my videos, subscribe, hit on the bell icon, and as always, thank you so much for watching.